Hi guys, today I will explain how to transcribe sequence in Adobe. This process is simple and easy, but before going any further, let me tell you about transcription. What is transcription? Basically, when you will transcribe your audio, then you will get a written paragraph of your voice. Whatever you will speak, the Adobe will transcribe into a Word file. And you can copy that and do a voiceover with the help of the transcription file and can do whatever you want. As you can see, I have my video. The language of my video is in English. Now I want to transcribe it. So the first thing is, take a look on the left top. You can see the option of window, click on it. And here you have to turn on this feature text. Click on it to turn it on. Now, the text feature has been turned on. And here you can see the option of create transcription. Just click on it. The first thing is, you have to select the language, click on it, and here you can see a few more languages. Once you find your language, click on it like I will click on this. The next thing is speaker. Click on it. And if you have more than a single speaker, then click on the option yes, separate speakers. But if you don't have, then click on this one speaker. It is basically for a person. The audio track will be the mix. And click on the option transcribe. Now, the transcription has been started, and once it will be completed, we will get our transcript file. And here you can see the transcription has been completed. And if I double click on it here, I can copy and paste it wherever I want. I will convert into a Word file and can do a voiceover with the help of this transcription. I don't need to write anything by myself. And it was the way by which you can transcribe your audio in Adobe